Hello everyone, today we are going to start with a new topic called trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is made up of two Greek words. One is called trigonon and another part is called metron. The meaning of trigonon is triangle and the meaning of metron is to measure. If we have a triangle and we have to find the sides or the angles of that triangle, we make use of the process which is called trigonometry. So the definition of the trigonometry is the process of measuring angles and sides of a triangle is called trigonometry. In trigonometry, we always take right angled triangle for measurements. So this is the basic definition of trigonometry. So my dear students, I hope that you have understood the basic concept. Now in trigonometry, we measure trigonometric ratios, which is the another topic, trigonometric ratios. There are 6 trigonometric ratios called, these are sine theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, cotangent theta, secant theta and cosecant theta. These are termed as like sine theta, sine for sine, cosine theta can be written as cos theta, tangent theta can be written as tan theta, cotangent theta can be written as cot theta, secant theta can be written as sec theta, cosecant theta can be written as cosec theta, like this, cosec theta. Now we will measure all these trigonometric ratios. A measurement of the trigonometric ratios can be done in a way that we make use of a trick. We make use of a trick to measure trigonometric ratios. That is, Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole, sona chandi tole. This is very basic trick, very easy trick to measure all these 6 trigonometric ratios. So my dear students, let's go further how we can find it. This is the right angle triangle which we make use in trigonometry. This is a right angle triangle which contains at least one 90-degree angle. So 90-degree angle is here. This is perpendicular. This is the base. This is the longest side. The longest side is called hypotenuse. And in front of 90-degree right angle, there is another angle. This we termed as theta. Now, Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole, sona chandi tole. Pandit for P, Badri for B, and Prasad for P again. Har for H, har for H, bole, capital letter B, sona S, chandi, first letter C, tole, T. So here S stands for sine theta. So sine theta is, later I will tell you. C stands for cos theta. T stands for tan theta. P for perpendicular, B for base, and H for hypotenuse. Now let's go further. As I told you that we make use of the right angle triangle. We are with right angle triangle over here. Now here this is the base, this is the perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, this is the 90-degree angle that is called right angle, and this is the theta angle. Now Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole, sona chandi tole. So P upon H. So value of the sine theta will be P upon H. That is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. That of cos theta is B upon H. B means base and H means hypotenuse. Then tan theta means P upon B. That is P upon B is equal to perpendicular, B for base. After that comes cosec theta. Cosec theta is a reciprocal of sine theta. So P upon instead of P upon H we will take H upon P. So cosec theta is equal to H upon P. What about sec theta? Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So that is H upon P. H upon B, sorry. So this is H upon B, that is hypotenuse upon base. And last is cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So tan theta is P upon B. So cot theta will be equal to B upon P. So this is whole about the trigonometry, trigonometric ratios, and the trick used to solve all the trigonometric ratios. So my dear students, that's all for today. Thank you very much. I hope you will understand all the concepts. Bye-bye.